knew juggling could be so interesting. And now that I've mastered the basics, it's time to take it up a notch. Steady. I'm ready. Ouch! I knew I should have went with blueberries. What?
Hey, sleepyhead. Did you have a good sleep?
What? Where am I? I was juggling in the kitchen, and then...
What are you talking about? We were just about to start the watermelon house craft. And then I stepped up for just a second to take all these pieces, and you fell asleep.
The what craft? I must have really banged my head. Ow!
Are you okay, Sammy? Maybe you should lie down or something?
That does sound like a good idea. I'll supervise the craft from here.
Nice rhyme.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. Great minds think alike.
Ooh, that watermelon slice has inspired me. Thanks, Sammy. Now, we can't leave this house with only one floor, right? Subscribe to our channel if you agree, friends. And give us a thumbs up if you want to craft a house like this too. Now, snap! There can be too many watermelons.
Oh, decorating, my favorite part.
Yeah, there's plenty for both of us to do here.
Time for a costume change. I need to look fabulous.
Oh, come on. You already look great.
I think I know better about fashion, Sue. You better stick to the crafting.
Yeah, right. Okay, what should we start with? The bed. Let's give it some watermelon style with a foam paper strip. This fabric is nice and soft. It'll be perfect.
Wait, Sammy's the interior designer is here? Oh, you've already started.
I guess I got too excited.
That's okay, you're doing a good job, I think.
Well, that's a high praise. Thanks. I think this will make the bed look even classier.
Wait until you see what I'm working on. It'll really complete the bed. Phew.
Wow, I can't wait to see what you're working on back there. And while you're doing that, I'll make a headboard.
I've been working for so long I've grown a beard. Just kidding, it's for the pillow.
Oh, Sammy. Okay, the bed is ready.
Feels like it took forever, but I did it, Sue. Here's the softest pillow ever.
Thank you. Perfect fit.
I think the beard really suits me. I look distinguished, like a gent. I should get a top hat.
Oh, I really want to see that look. In the meantime, these are the drawers. This will add a little sparkle to them. And who doesn't want that, right? And the sparkly gems will make great handles.
Look at me. I feel amazing. My new look is here to stay.
Wow, it's certainly interesting. But the most important is that you like it, Sammy. Well, our bedroom is ready. Now let's make a kitchen, and I already started.
Sounds good to me. I've got my hammer for any demolition needs. Bam, bam!
We're not doing any demolishing today, but you could make a kitchen cabinet, you know.
But I can still bash things, right?
Sure you can bash things.
Oh, yeah! Bash, 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 bash!
Oh, why do I feel like I'm gonna regret this? Okay, we'll definitely need a table for our kitchen. And of course, it's gonna look like a watermelon. So, how's the cabinet coming along, Sammy? Sam?
I'll be honest, Sue. I'm not a carpenter. So I'm making it up as I go along.
I have faith in you. I'm sure you'll do a great job. We'll also need somewhere to sit when we're eating. I'm talking chairs. And they need to match the table. So let's go with pink and green. What is happening over there, Sammy? Are you having a break or something? I can totally hear you eating.
Not so hungry, worker. I need a sweet treat.
Well, I think you've earned it, Sam. We need more shelves for the kitchen, and I'm gonna make them look like a rainbow. Here we go.
Well, what do you say, Sue? Is it the best kitchen cabinet in the world or what?
Good job. You really have an eye for interior design. I couldn't have done it any better, honestly. Whoops, we nearly forgot about the sink. And this will become the perfect faucet.
Wow, easy! There are only so many faucets in the world, you know.
Sorry. Now, this goes here. Great! Well, what do you think?
Wow, it's perfect! But, how do I get up there?
Oh, I knew I had forgotten something.
Oh, great! Now let's go and bash some more things downstairs!
This is a large space, so we're gonna need a lot of things to fill it. What should we do? Wait, I've got it! What this house really needs is some sweet music. So we'll make a piano. I can't wait until Sam sees it. He'll be so surprised. I think I can hear him coming.
Wait, is that a piano? Amazing!
It sure is. I knew you'd like it.
Wow, all my dreams are coming true! I'm gonna be a star!
I better finish the piano before Sam gets back. This'll be the stand for the top of the piano. Finally, I'll add a sparkle to it. It's the least Sam deserves.
Step aside! I'm about to serenade to you, Sue!
Wait, it's not ready yet. I didn't have the time to make a stool.
Nonsense! I don't need a stool. The music cannot be contained!
Oh, please be patient. It's a virtue and you know it.
Oh, wait. I just remembered I can't play the piano.
That might be a problem, Sam. Never mind. You can always learn. And if that's not gonna work, don't be upset. You have so many other talents.
Wow, wow, wow! I decided to be a rock star instead! I'm gonna play the guitar!
Maybe you could practice elsewhere.
Wow, 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 wow! Right, the craft! Well, I can practice in Roger's room!
No, I never meant that! Sammy! Oh, and he's gone. Poor Raj. He has no idea what's about to happen. Oh, I hope he at least has earplugs or something. That doesn't sound good.
Who knew Roger isn't a fan of rock music? Such a shame!
No, don't worry, Sammy. Some people just can't appreciate your talent.
Wait, did you finish the craft? I've gotta have a look!
Do you want to check if the furniture is comfy enough?
Don't mind if I do! Huh? What? No, not again! So was that all a dream? No way! I must have really banged my head!
Sammy, have you been juggling again?
Wait, is that the watermelon house? You mean it wasn't a dream after all?
What? Are you feeling okay?
Never better, Sue!
What was that? Okay, see you around, friends.